Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 6, Air Around Us. Now first we are going to start with warm up. Take a big balloon, blow air into it. Now see what this boy is doing. He is having a balloon, okay, and he is blowing the balloon. Now tick the correct answer, cross the ones that are not correct. What happens when you blow air into a balloon? So children, what happens when we blow a balloon? The balloon stays the same size or the balloon gets bigger and bigger. See, when we brought this balloon, okay, it is small in size, but when we blow this balloon it gets bigger and bigger. So this one is the right answer. Now hold the balloon near your face and let air out of the balloon. What happens now? See, जब आप balloon को blow करते हो, okay, and then जब वो आप आपके face के सामने रखते हो, so what आपने देखा क्या होता है? The air comes out of the balloon. Now what happens now? अब क्या होगा? You can smell the air or you can feel the air on your face. So we can feel the air on our face, right? So what we are going to read in this lesson? Air around us, importance of air and keeping air clean. First, air is everywhere. Children, air is everywhere. हवा सब जगह है. Air is all around us. We cannot see air. Can we see the air? No, we cannot see the air. We cannot taste it. Can you taste the air? No. But we can feel it, right? See, when electricity is not there, right? So what we say, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. Okay, but we can feel that when air is not there, we can feel that. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. What we call moving air is called wind. A gentle wind is called a breeze. Okay. So a gentle wind is called a breeze. Now we need air. So we all need air, right? All living things need air, like all the animals, all the birds, all the people, they all need air. We need air to breathe, right? We breathe through our nose, right? सांस लेने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? Air, हवा. Animals also need air to breathe. Now see, this people need air to breathe. Animals need air to breathe. Different animals breathe through different organs. Like we breathe through our nose. Now different animals are also there, right? So they breathe through their different organs. Plants too take in air. Okay, they need air to make food. Now plants need air to make food, right? जो plants होते हैं, they need air to make food. Air is useful in many other ways. Now air is very useful, right? So air is useful in many other ways. Now can you see the bird? Air helps birds to fly. Okay, so birds उड़ते हैं with the help of air. We feel air in tires. Now आपकी साइकिल होती है, right? आपकी कार के व्हील्स होते हैं. So उसमें आपको क्या लगता है? Air, right? Then air helps boats to sail. Now ये बोट चल रही है. इस किससे चल रही है? With the help of air. Air helps kites to fly, right? ये जो kites fly होती है वो किससे होती है? Air से. Now keeping air clean. Dust and smoke make the air dirty. Dust, smoke that is coming out from the factory, it makes the air dirty. Smoke comes out of factory chimneys. Sometimes buses and cars also give out smoke. You have seen that smoke is coming from cars and buses. So we can help to keep the air clean. Okay. So now how we can keep the air clean? We can ride a bicycle or walk to nearby places. Children, you can use a bicycle, right? और अगर आपको कहीं छोटे डिस्टेंस पे जाना है, शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस पे जाना है, so you can walk also. We must plant trees around our house. हमारे घर के आसपास हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We should plant trees. We should also take care of the plants in our surroundings. Okay, so we should take care of the plants. Plants are there, so we should give them water. Okay, so we should take care of the plants in our surrounding. Now wrap up. Air. Moving air is called wind. A gentle wind is called a breeze. Importance of air. We need air to live. Air helps birds to fly. We fill air in tires. Air helps boats to sail. Air helps kites to fly. Now keeping the air clean, dust and smoke make the air dirty. We should help to keep the air clean. We must plant and look after trees. Now come to the next page. Now we are going to start with evaluate. First, now things you know. A. Choose the correct words from the box and filling the blanks. So air is everywhere. Moving air is called wind. Third, we need air to sail a boat. Fourth, birds need air to fly. B. Right, yes or no. We all need air to breathe. Yes. We fill water into cycle tires. No. We fill air in tires. Air fills up a balloon when we blow it. Yes. Dust and smoke make the air dirty. Yes. Now take the pictures that show moving air. Okay, moving air means जब हवा आती है, so from the pictures we will tell which picture shows moving air. Now this tree, okay, tree हवा से उड़ रहा है. Yes. This girl's hair and dress, okay, shows that this is a moving air picture. Yes. This tree, no. This papers, no. These clothes, yes. Next one, D. Where is air found? So air is found everywhere. Can we feel air? Yes. What is moving air called? Okay, now answer in one sentence. This I am going to give in your notebook. So, children, we have finished our lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you so much, children. See you soon.